So while we got Cole over here cutting on the subframe, we pressure washed the engine earlier, and now we're going to start tearing everything out. Probably won't actually pull the engine today, but we're going to get everything kind of stripped off the top, probably down to the intake manifold, and get it ready to come out. So I know this thing had an oil leak, and you can tell it's pretty bad in this area because of all the crap that's built up right there. It's gross, but well, we'll do it better this time, I guess. As you saw, this bracket was loose, so I just snugged it up, and I'm probably gonna grab onto it with the lift there, and then there's a that little ring right here. Grab onto those. I'll just lift the whole engine out with the turbo on it, put it on my new engine stand, and then start stripping this one down, because this short block is getting the heads and everything, the whole top end off that other mock-up engine I got. So we're getting there. It's going pretty quick. Not much longer. I'm gonna have this thing pulled. So there you have it, everybody. We got the Subaru engine out. It is pretty disgusting, as you can probably see. But yeah, we're gonna dig into it tomorrow. I'm gonna set it up next to the other engine and probably discuss what is happening with the Subaru, because it's kind of up in the air right now. But yeah. So either way, this engine was coming out. Don't know what engine's gonna go back into it yet. Stay tuned. Possibly a big announcement with Subaru stuff. Maybe. Either way, there will be a big announcement on the channel soon, whether it has to do with the Subaru or not. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and until next time, just keep building.